Hi there, students. To aspire, verb. An aspiration, a countable noun. Aspirational, an adjective. Aspirationally as an adverb. Okay, if you aspire to something, if you aspire to get something, this is something that you want to achieve, you hope to achieve. Yeah? Your aspirations are how you measure your success in something. Let's see, you've probably heard of the noun an ambition or ambition. Well, to aspire is the verb. Ambition doesn't have a verb. So you aspire to achieve your ambitions. Either you can aspire to noun. So he aspires to a career in information technology. To aspire to noun, or to aspire to do something, to aspire to infinitive. So I aspire to become the world's most famous teacher. I just aspire to make lots of good videos, and I think no more. So you aspire to something. I am aspiring to 1 million subscribers. So go tell your friends. I aspire to get 1 million subscribers. And this is the idea of to aspire. To direct your hopes, your ambitions towards achieving something. Yeah, okay, so to aspire to something, your aspiration, your hope, your ambition. So he has aspirations of becoming a famous footballer. He aspires to becoming a pop star. Okay. Notice aspiration as well. I guess an aspiration to draw in breath, but I would say to breathe in. And in phonetics, aspiration is the pronouncing a sound when you are exhaling. Yeah, okay, so, but to aspire to something, to try to get something, to seek to attain, to have something as a particular goal. Yeah? So you aspire to achieve greatness. He aspires to become an important member of the government. Yeah? Aspirations. I think you should set your own aspirations and not let other people set your aspirations for you. This region of the country has aspirations to become an independent country of its own. Okay, so they are aspiring to become an independent nation. To strive towards an end, towards a condition, towards an ultimate goal. Yeah, so he aspires to great achievement. Yeah, he is an aspiring, adjective, poet. He wants to be a poet. He's trying to be a poet. Yeah, he aspires to be a great leader of his nation. He is aspiring after fame, to aspire after something. So to be after, to plan for, to shoot for, to aim for, to try and get, to set your heart on. Yeah? He aspires to a new car every 6 months. Yeah? A lifestyle like that of a million, like the lifestyle of a millionaire, is something that I can't aspire to. Yeah, he has aspirations to become a writer. I would guess he has aspirations to becoming a writer as well. So to aspire to, 6.5 in formality. Aspiration, 6.5 in formality. I think probably want, try to get, have as an ambition informally. Use aspire in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, well, it comes from French aspirer, from Latin aspirare, to breathe on, to approach, to desire something. Yeah, you're aspiring to it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To aspire, aspiration, aspirational, aspirationally.